to fix Messenger video call and voice call problem. So if you want to fix Messenger video call or voice call problem, then first of all open up your settings, your phone settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and then tap on see all apps and go and search for Messenger. And after opening your Messenger, now you can go for storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing all of your cache, you can remove your settings from the background, and then you can open up your Play Store and then tap on the search bar and then search for Messenger. And after searching for Messenger, if you have an update option instead of this open option, you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Messenger application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply uninstall your Messenger application, and then you can again install your application and you can log into your account. And the last fix is to simply hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. You can simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.